Class 108 battery charger through SCR. So you have step down transformer and center tapped full wave rectifier. This is the Zener diode, battery, current limiting resistance R2, current limiting resistance in the Zener circuit R1, and this is the D3 diode. Say the battery voltage is 12 volt when it is fully charged. Now, if the battery voltage is lesser than 12 volt, okay, this current will flow like this, and SCR will get gate current, and SCR will be on. Then there will be charging. For example, see, after full wave rectification, we get like this. This is 15 volt RMS value. So peak value will be around 20 volt. So this will be around 20 volt. Now battery voltage maximum, point B. This is a point B. Maximum is around 12 volt. So it will come around like this. Maximum. Battery voltage will be somewhere between here and here. So in one half cycle or full cycle, whatever you can say, after rectification, this is one cycle. This is considered as one cycle. Now, in a cycle or half cycle, for some duration, okay, see, for some duration, the input voltage will be more than the battery voltage. For some duration, battery voltage will be more than the input voltage. So during this duration, charging can occur. During this duration, charging can occur. From here to here, charging cannot occur because battery voltage is higher than the supply voltage, means incoming voltage. Now, the Zener diode voltage is set to 12.7 volt. 12 volt battery plus this D3 drop. So 12.7. So till 12.7 volt, Zener will be off because it is reverse biased. So current will flow like this. Battery will get, SCR will get gate current through the battery also here. Now SCR will become on and charging will take place during this period. As soon as the battery voltage reaches 12 volt, this will become 12.7 volt. Now Zener will conduct. So current will flow like this. Hence, battery is protected from overcharging. Practically, some wish to consider this as 12.3 battery, even though it is 12 volt. Some say battery should be charged a little bit more than 12 volt. They expect this to be 12.3. Then this is a 0.7. Then this will be 13 volt. So Zener diode selected should be 13 volt. Anyhow,